To franchise or not to franchise? That is the question. Hi, it's Rachel of Stake to One and business class is in session. Somebody asked kasi kung maganda daw ba mag-franchise or mag-start na lang ng new business. So when you're going to franchise, basically bibili ka na ng proven na systems or existing systems para mabawasan na rin yung pag-R&D mo. As in, hindi ka magsa-start from zero. So ilist natin yung pros and cons. Unahin muna natin ang pros of having a franchise. The first is the proven business model. Franchises provide tested systems already. Nababawasan na yung pag-R&D mo. And wala na masyadong trial and errors. Second is kilala na siya or meron na siyang brand recognition. Established brands attract customers, saving marketing efforts. Next is training and support. Normally, franchisors provide operational guidance. They also provide na rin yung mga staff na na-train na nila, inventory management, and marketing assistance. But here's the catch. So, ito naman yung mga cons ng pagkakaroon ng franchise. Number one, high initial investment. At in, sobrang mahal. For example, yung Jollibee ngayon, I think, nasa 50 million na ata. Tapos dati gusto namin mag-pancake house, parang nasa 10 million. Franchise fee pa lang yun ah. Which leads us to the second cons. Merong maraming ongoing fees. Like royalty fee, marketing fee, and of course yung franchise fees. Third is limited flexibility. Franchisees must adhere to strict brand guidelines. So, nalilimit yung innovation mo. So, kung gusto mong merong something new, wala kang say doon. Also, something to consider, you're tied to their reputation. So, kung may issue sila sa isang branch, madadamay ka. So, conclusion, franchising is good kung gusto mo na wala ka nang iniisip, susunod ka na lang. Pero, it is not always a guaranteed success. So, yan lang. Hope this helps. Class dismissed. Next part naman is yung pros and cons of starting a new business.